Welcome to Morocco. Over the next few minutes, we will cover prices, best places, and everything you need to know to plan the perfect 14 days in Morocco. We'll provide insider tips. If anything seems confusing or if you'd like a personalized itinerary, we offer free consultations. Feel free to reach out to us via email down below. Now it's time to dive into the 14-day itinerary. Let's go. But wait, there is a day that is different. It's known to be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Wait for it. Day 1. Upon arrival in Marrakech, immerse yourself in the city's vibrant pulse by heading to Jemaa El Fna Square for a nighttime feast. As you navigate through the square, indulge in local delicacies. Enchanted by the array of entertainers, Marrakech is considered one of the best destinations in the world. A helpful tip is to hire a guide to show you around. Another tip is to expect vendors in Jemaa El Fna, offering their services and performers asking for tips. However, it's easy to decline if you prefer not to tip. After a night of sensory overload, your second day, Day 2, dives deeper into Marrakech's heart. Explore historical marvels like the Bahia Palace and unwind in the tranquility of the Majorelle Garden. The afternoon promises an adventure through the bustling souks, culminating in a serene hammam experience to relax your senses. Leaving the urban maze of Marrakech behind, the journey ascends into the high Atlas Mountains, where the morning sky greets you with a hot air balloon ride, offering breathtaking vistas. Spend the day connecting with Berber communities, gaining insight into their enduring traditions. Day 4. As the mountain air fills your spirit, a scenic drive leads you to the gates of Aït Benhaddou, where history is etched into every stone. Discover the stories of ancient caravans and movie legends before venturing to Ouarzazate, the Hollywood of Morocco, offering a glimpse into cinematic history. From cinematic landscapes, the adventure weaves through the Dades Valley. Day 5. Revealing nature's artistry in the Monkey Fingers rock formations and the grandeur of Todra Gorge. The journey's rhythm slows, allowing for intimate encounters with the land. The narrative of natural wonders continues as you approach the Sahara Desert. Remember the day I described as a once-in-a-lifetime experience? Well, it's Day 6. Day 6, where Merzouga's dunes promise an unforgettable night under the stars. A camel trek at sunset introduces you to the desert's mystique, followed by a night filled with Berber music and tales. This day is widely regarded as one of the best. It feels truly magical. Day 7. Bidding the desert stars farewell, the itinerary meanders towards Medelt, offering a moment of repose in its serene landscapes. Engage in a cooking workshop, connecting with local flavors and traditions, preparing for the journey ahead. With flavors lingering on your palate, the road leads to the ancient city of Fez. Day 8, where medieval streets unfold a rich tapestry of culture and history. Dive into the Medina's heart, witnessing the vibrancy of artisanal crafts and timeless traditions. Day 9, further exploration of Fez reveals the depth of Moroccan craftsmanship. Hands-on workshops in pottery and zellij tile making offer a personal touch to your journey, blending learning with creation. Day 10. Departing the historical allure of Fez, your path ascends to the enchanting blue city of Chefchaouen, where every corner is a canvas painted in hues of blue. A photography tour captures the city's soul, followed by a serene evening savoring Moroccan tea. Day 11. The tranquility of Chefchaouen sets the stage for adventures in the Rif Mountains. The Akshur waterfalls beckon with their natural splendor, offering a refreshing retreat before the return to the city's calming embrace. Day 12. From the serenity of the mountains, the journey unfolds towards the Atlantic, reaching Casablanca, where modernity meets tradition at the Hassan II Mosque. The city's vibrant street art and oceanfront dining introduce a different rhythm of Moroccan life. Day 13. A short journey brings the capital city, Rabat, into focus, highlighting its historical and contemporary facets. From kite surfing on its beaches to exploring its cultural treasures, Rabat offers a dynamic palette of experiences. Day 14. Return to Marrakech. As the Moroccan tapestry unfolds its final threads, you find yourself returning to Marrakech, with time to reflect and explore any missed corners. The city's gardens offer a peaceful respite, preparing you for your journey home. Enriched by the after 14 days of mesmerizing landscapes, rich cultural encounters, and unforgettable moments, our journey through Morocco has come to an end. From the bustling streets of Casablanca to the serene beauty of Chefchaouen, every step of the way has been filled with awe-inspiring experiences. We hope this itinerary has inspired you to embark on your own Moroccan adventure and discover the magic that awaits in this captivating country. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let the spirit of Morocco enchant you. Don't forget to contact us for free recommendations and tips. AGD Travel wishes you the best trip in Morocco and good luck.